Nothing beats egg fried rice because this is a hug in a ball. Cozy, comforting, and satisfying. Let's make egg fried rice with 5 simple ingredients. Start with the main ingredient, eggs itself. Eggs are rich in protein. Let's take 2 eggs in a bowl, add a pinch of salt and red pepper, and whisk it well. In this video, I have break down the nutritional value of each of the ingredients I'm using for this recipe. Please keep an eye on the screen to read all of it. Let's scramble the eggs. Take a pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, add the mixture of eggs, and slightly or gently keep stirring it. Today we are turning simple eggs and leftover rice into a nutritious, filling meal loaded with veggies for extra crunch and color. So have you ever thought about why this egg fried rice with veggies is so fulfilling? Let's discover in this video and keep watching till the end to know this restaurant style trick that will enhance the flavor of. Next, take one medium sized onion, which is about, when you chop it, it will be about a size of 1 cup. Onion is so beneficial and it has a lot of nutritional value. I would highlight how should you use onions in your meal. So the simple trick is slightly or gently saute them until they are lightly brown or golden brown. Do not use the onions which turn black. The nutritional value of those onions is decreased or somehow it's vanished. So to get the maximum benefits of onions, always use slightly sauteed onions or golden brown. So here you go, round and round, moving your spatula until the onions are golden brown and finally takes the final texture. Let's move towards carrot. Keep an eye on the screen to know the nutritional value. Starting with carrots, it is high in fiber. Either cut them or grate them. This is up to you, the way you like it. Now we are going to add capsicum. Capsicum isn't just for crunch, it's a vitamin C powerhouse. It boosts your immunity, your metabolism, and it is great for eye health. Now let's add cabbage. Cabbage is loaded with vitamin K, which is important for bone health. It is rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation, high in fiber that supports digestion and gut health. It is low in calories but filling, great for weight management. So cabbage, in short, is humble but mighty. High in vitamin K and antioxidants, it keeps your gut happy while adding crunch.